Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a wig transformation. I'm going to show you guys how to take a basic wig like this and turn it into something beautiful like this. If you would like to see how I transform this wig, then of course you already know, keep on watching. So the wig is from Rpghair. This is the box that the wig comes in. The wig also comes with a lot of goodies. It comes with a paddle brush, as well as a elastic band that you can use to install on your wigs. Have a full tutorial on how to do that, by the way. Also comes with a wig cap, which is also known as a stocking cap, and the wig, of course. And then it comes with this after sale service pamphlet where you pretty much fill it out if you have any issues with your wig. It also comes with care tips for curly hair, so that's a really nice feature with your package. So the inside of this wig is pretty much your standard lace front wig. It comes with the combs where you can use to secure the wig down. It also comes with wig straps where you can make the wig a little bit more tighter if needed. You get about 4 inches of parting space when it comes to wearing this lace front wig, which is pretty much standard for today's lace front wigs. In case you have been eyeing some wigs with Rpghair, or in case you want to purchase this wig, Rpghair is having a sale going on right now. This sale will end on February the 13th. You will get 25% off of everything that you order. So now is the perfect time to get that wig that you've been eyeing for so long. With this particular wig, again, this is a lace front wig. The length of this wig is 12 inches. The hair texture of this wig is wavy. The hair density is 150%. And again, you get about 4 inches of parting space on this wig. So pretty much only thing I'm doing right here is trying to straighten out the waves in this hair. I don't want it to be bone straight because I am going to curl this hair to get the look that I am trying to achieve. I am using my flat iron today. I am practicing using this new curling method, so definitely guys, just bear with me. If you suck at doing this like me, you can definitely just use like a curling wand, or you can use a curling iron. Either one is going to give you the same exact look. It's just that I need to really work on my flat iron curling skills. Okay, so to achieve the big bang look, it's all about your wrist game. It's all about how you curl the hair, and I'm going to actually curl my bang going backwards. Now it looks kind of crazy right now. That's okay because I cut a little too much off when I was layering the front, but you know I'm finna make it do what it do. Also, I did not bleach or pluck this wig. Only thing I used was my foundation powder to tint the lace, and then as you guys can see, I'm going in with my liquid foundation to define that part. I'm also using a wax stick to help with the flyaways. If you guys want to see a full video on how I get my wigs to look natural without bleaching or plucking the hairline, then I'll have that link below as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is just see how the baby hairs look on this wig. As I mentioned, I have not did any plucking or bleaching of this wig. However, this wig did come pre-plucked with baby hairs. So, you know, I just want to test it out and see if this wig is perfect for beginners, where you really don't have to do a whole lot to achieve, you know, the baby hair look if that's what you're going for. So before I continue, let me just give you guys angles of this wig. As you can see, it's really bouncy and the curls look really nice on this bob. So here is my issue. I couldn't figure out how I wanted my bang to go. I was thinking that I wanted my bang to have a little volume at the top. But I cut way too much hair off and that curl was way too tight, sis. But as you can see, if you just play around with your hair a little bit and get it to look the way you want it to look, you can definitely work with that tight ass curl. So this is pretty much what the wig looks like after I am completely done. Let me tell y'all something. This is my first time ever wearing a curled bob and I am here for it. love it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, everything will be below, as well as everything that I used in this video will also be below. Thanks for watching, guys.